Cardispec is generated by electrohydraulic effect. High voltage creates electric spark discharge. Then the water vaporizes and creates an explosion, generating high energy shock waves reflected by the semi-ellipsoid applicator and is focused into the ischemic area. That's why it is very important to remove the air inside the applicator for optimal generation of energy. Checking the machine prior to the procedure is essential to its efficiency, making sure that there is no bubble in the shockwave applicator. After explaining to the patient the benefits and risks of the procedure, the ischemic area image, which was previously visualized using the nuclear myocardial perfusion scan, is then transferred to the echocardiogram diagram. The patient is then prepared, his or her top clothing is replaced with patient gown. The patient is laid on the treatment table and is connected to the ECG of the Cardispec. The ischemic area is located using the integrated echocardiogram probe on the Cardispec. The distance from the probe to the treatment area on the ultrasound is measured. Based on echocardiography standard views, the distance to the treatment area is measured and calibrated into the Cardispec. The shockwave applicator is turned to the right side of the ultrasound transducer, toward the sternum and the costal area. The treatment site is placed on the ultrasound screen center axis. Ultrasound gel is extensively applied between the membrane and the patient's skin to maximize electrohydraulic effect. The shockwave applicator is inflated until good contact with patient's skin and wrinkling of the membrane should not form. All movements of machine joints should be locked before delivering the shockwaves. The shockwaves is then applied through the acoustical window. After 100 shocks are delivered to one ischemic spot or area, another ischemic spot is measured and calibrated into the Cardispec. The distance of the next spot is measured to about 0.5 to 1 cm from the previous ischemic spot or area. Then another 100 shocks are delivered to the treatment area until 300 shocks are already delivered or the treatment area planned for that day is finished.